hell, mate.
That's the crew of RFA Tide Force. We're all working hard down on the Cornish coast, especially the LS department and especially me, Charlie Drake, steward to the stars. Thanks guys, pleasure. Ryan Mayo today talking about his new single, 3D Books and Bohemian Rhapsody the movie. Nadia Hussain, former Bake Off winner, with her latest novel, The Fall and Rise of the Amir Sisters. There's Tim Smith, Bobby Pryor, Catherine Krangle with
for me, the best kebab is charcoal grill.
And then you still like that, you like that dog kebab in Aldi.
Yeah, but I mean, if I can have a...
Oh,
yeah. Big accident nearly happened.
Down into a couple of lines. Yeah,
you got it, man. You break that in. Ooh, that's good. That's why you don't stick out like that, because now that... Impatient! You can't go anywhere, you idiot. Brake range? Or...
I don't know, open the window, stick your head out.
Or did that lorry hit that car? I've got it on camera. Well, I can't hear anything because
It's just an impatient bit. Get in there.
I know. I can't go anywhere. See, he wants to go in there. Impatient! I've got it on camera. I've got it on camera. Yeah, can't go anywhere. What's it? Red light jumpers and impatient drivers, that's what it is. Red light jumpers and impatient drivers.
Just go right into the fucking corner of that lorry.
I've got it on camera.
Oh my god, what are you doing?
HG64 NFA. HG. So don't try it.
Stupid
fucking impatient.
If you've lost money on investments missold by a bank or financial advisor, simply trustedppe.co.uk. So
sight.
The new Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 5G, made for the epic in every day. Available now.
Drop it. Good boy.
At Lidl, we're always Lidl off price. On everything. Selected stores excludes NI.
If you've been injured in an accident at work, talk to Harris Fowler. With over 25 years' experience, we've helped thousands of people claim compensation to which they're entitled. And our experienced and specialist team are ready to help you. It's no win, no fee, no risk. Call Harris Fowler today on 0800 213 214 to see if you have a claim. You've got nothing to lose and perhaps a lot to gain. Harris Fowler, the personal injury solicitor.
Could you look your family